Alright, so we're out here. We're tree guys gonna be tearing some stuff up. Pretty cool. Getting cleared out. Just look at our driver.
Shaggy. I got dog fur.
You driving, Shags?
You driving the car? So we're headed over to our property. They started clearing the space where the driveway is going to go in. Ken was already there earlier watching them. We're not sure how far they've gotten. It's probably been, what, about another hour?
At least hour.
He came home to get us, and we're going to go back and check it out. Here's the street. This is where our driveway will go. Here's my dad. Came to check it out. We got Chase and we got Shaggy. Looks like they still got some big trees to take down. So they didn't do any of the big trees, huh?
Well, obviously. We did all this just with that bobcat.
Yeah. So this is how long our driveway will be.
So this is kind of, actually they'll just weave in and out. Brad said he wanted it wavy.
Yeah, oh for sure. You're gonna have a long driveway.
Got a tire.
A tire? Oh, we got a tire swing. Wow, it's pretty big right here. Wow.
You dropping your first deuce?
Shaggy. Yeah, that's pretty big. It's not this wide down there.
Well, you got to realize the water levels are probably up a little bit too. Yeah.
Yeah, but you got to prepare for that for winter time.
Yeah. As long as it's, I think it's got to be 50 inches. So put a 50-inch concrete tube in there.
Shaggy, you like your new house? Your new property?
Yeah, you took a dump.
Daisy really wanted to come, but we wouldn't let her.
Look how dirty his paws. You're gonna have to wipe his paws out before he gets out.
Get used to it.
Some boots. Now you'd be really glad.
He's only 80 pounds.
You gotta grab a hold of it.
Oh, it goes up higher than that rock.
That ain't coming down.
Nah.
Run and swing, Chase.
That's all you got?
There's like an old grip on it.
Shaggy, get over there.
Yeah, you ain't no Tarzan. Is over today?
So we're back home now,
I never went.
and Karli didn't go with us to look at the property, so she'll have to wait and see it on video, but it looks pretty cool. They got the trees cleared out all the way to the creek, but you wouldn't believe how far back it is from the road to the creek, Karli.
Is that as much as they're emptying?
They have to put a culvert in, this big concrete round thing in the creek, so then they can build like a driveway over the creek.
It sounds scary, like when all the trees just fall over. Like you don't know if there's like animals in there.
Yeah, they didn't do any of the real big trees yet. You'll see. I'll show you the video
That
later.
feels so weird. Do that. Make a sad face. Feel that part.
So Karli's in here beautifying herself because we're filming a video for her
And
channel,
it's important.
and she wanted to put a little bit of makeup on. So what video are we filming this week? Finally.
Tour.
Huh?
Room tour.
Room tour.
And I'm not going to show you guys my closet.
Not your closet? Why, is your closet a mess?
No.
I'm gonna go look.
No, please no.
Let's check out her closet. It must be a mess. Oh, Karli. It's not looking so hot. Who knows what this is?
I get to admire my beautiful thing, and Andrew's jealous because Andrew wants to start a YouTube channel, but my mom is debating. I mean, The eye's clumpy. My mom doesn't care if he does, but he says, oh, I'm gonna start it over next weekend. Then he doesn't do it. Oh, I'm gonna start it next weekend. Then he doesn't do it. Then he said he's gonna do it over spring break. We'll see though.
What are we talking about?
We're talking about how Andrew's jealous of my plaque.
Oh.
What's up?
Hi, walk that way. Mom, I feel so bad.
Why?
That what are you doing?
I'm fixing your bed.
That Tori, this little,
You say her name and she just runs away.
Ooh. Tori has a boyfriend, and Andrew doesn't have a girlfriend.
Oh, yeah.
Tori hasn't seen her boyfriend in almost a few years now. Tori's boyfriend's name is Rudy.
Bye for now, because we're gonna film the video for Karli's channel. And if you guys aren't subscribed to Karli's channel, it's Karli Reese, and she posts videos every Friday.
So guys, I just took my hair out of my braids, and they are really curly. Have you ever seen my hair this curly?
Yeah, when you crimp it, it looks like that.
How do you crimp hair?
Use a crimper.
Do we have one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you see?
This is Karli with the camera.
Was it really?
That's what you do.
Because I'm a model.
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt.
So, this is not the question of the day, but it's a question for my mom.
Okay, why are you asking me?
Because it's a question for you.
What's the question?
Who's your favorite dog?
Molly.
What?
Ow!
Who's your favorite dog?
Tori.
Wow. You didn't even have to say you already knew that.
Then why'd you ask me?
This is Daisy. Pippa. This is Pippa. This is the princess.
Tori's the worst listener though. That's probably why I like her so much, because I'm used to you kids not listening.
Ooh, it's cold. I'm going on a walk and my feet are cold. Ow! Ooh, we had a snow day today, but the thing that I don't, ow! The whole thing is frozen. You hear that? I'm out on the trampoline. Ow! This piece of ice is sharp and it's chasing me. Ready? It went away. Ooh, it hit the fence. Oh my god. I need to get out of here. It's freezing. That was a terrible mistake. Oh, my feet. Oh my god. My feet are so cold. Oh my gosh. Oh, my feet.
The dog is huge.
The reason? What the? You look like Abby Lee Miller. So, the only reason that you think dogs are big is because you've never had a big dog yourself.
Actually, I have.
Who?
I had a German Shepherd Collie mix dog growing up.
Well,
She
was it
pretty
big?
She was probably like
Toy Shaggy?
40 pounds. She wasn't that big. Big enough though.
That looks so cool. I love my hair. They like the way this looks.
No, they don't. Trust me.
You want to
Karli.
tell them how we got into a little fight earlier? She took my phone and she
Karli
tickled me.
Was wrestling me and she kept smacking me in the face.
No.
And look, my eyes are still healing. And
That's
you kept
enough.
smacking me,
No.
smacking me.
I did not smack her. She took my phone, so I was tickling her. And then she said, ow, you hit my eye. And I didn't even go near her face. Hey, Andrew.
And what?
Will you get me fried pickles?
No.
What if I give you money?
No.
Please?
You'll
get fat on our family list.
I'll get fat. I just weighed myself. I weigh 73 pounds.
Yeah, not if you keep eating fried pickles like you do.
I haven't got fried pickles in weeks.
I know. Look, you've lost weight. I can tell.
No.
Tell me no.
Get me fried pickles. I'll get you money. So, hi everyone. Now we are making cookies. And all we had to do was preheat the oven to 350. My mom did that already, so. And apparently this is supposed to be really easy to make. It's supposed to make 24 cookies. And they are springtime, so they have all different colors. And
Yeah, like if you mess these up, then you're not a very good cook.
These have got to be the best looking cookies, guys. And if they're gonna look beautiful, you gotta put them in line correctly. So guys, we made the cookies, but I haven't had one yet, so.
How is it? Are you a good buddy cracker?
So, they're very good. So, bye, that's it for today. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up this video. And the question of the day is, what is your favorite kind of cookie to make? Either these, because they're easy, or the cookies with the Hershey Kisses on.
That was going to be my answer.
It's mine.
All right, then I'll just pick peanut butter cookies. What's your favorite, Love?
My favorite what?
Cookie to make.
My favorite cookie to make are kuszikis.
Huh?
We don't know what that is.
They're Polish cookies.
You've never made them before.
Yes, I have when I was a kid.
All right, guys, thanks for watching our video. We appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.